agent, it can be challenging to stand out in a crowded market and create a substantial income. Life events, no matter what type of market is a very impactful way to impact your income as well as the people in your community. So by specializing, you get to help people and you get to differentiate yourself, create a significant income in a short amount of time. I'm going to go ahead and dig into pre-foreclosures. The period before a home is foreclosed on by the bank, and many homeowners in this situation are looking to sell their homes quickly to avoid foreclosure. Divorce. Divorce is one of the most challenging life events that a person can go through, both emotionally and financially. A real estate agent who specializes in these and knows how to provide valuable guidance and support during this difficult time can truly impact people that are going through a divorce. So a death of a loved one, whether it's probate or death certificates, partnering with real estate attorneys, probate attorneys, and other professionals. You need to understand the probate process and how it affects the sale of the home. It's going to be important to familiarize yourself with the laws in your state, property ownership and inheritance. Working with clients in bankruptcy can be a profitable opportunity. What I personally recommend is get that property listed prior to the bankruptcy trustee getting involved. If the property is listed on the market, you have a basically foot in the door to work that with a bankruptcy trustee. Downsizing, this is a big one. As people age, how can you specialize in helping them find a larger home and be that expert of choice? Retirement is one of my favorite. Retirement has different layers, has reverse mortgages, tired landlords, people that own their homes free and clear. You can also pull senior tax exemption. Relocation, understanding and being a local resource to help people relocate. That is another large life event. Pick a life event or pick all of them. Being able to have the data. Are you aware of what the opportunities are in your area? Start to build a network. Understand how to find the opportunities, and then it's the marketing steps. It's being able to reach out to them. TCPA compliant, mailers, door hangers, adding to your profiles, public profiles that you specialize in these different life events. When people go to Google, are they going to pull up that you specialize in retirement or probate or bankruptcy, so you can become that expert of choice? It's important to be empathetic and supportive throughout the process. Keep your clients informed of any updates and be available to answer any questions. No matter how experienced you are, you can be a brand new agent. And if you reach out to these life events and you learn how to match buyers and sellers together, can truly have a large income opportunity.